So the Everyone Can Create Camp is for all of the students in Roosevelt School District entering 3rd through 8th grade. And the camp gives them an opportunity to work with technology in 4 different ways. In the art class, students are working mainly with the app Sketches, and they've been designing robots by using 3D shapes. They're also going to create photos along with drawings to document what everyone's been doing.
Well, I like so far that we do art stuff, and like yesterday we brought a robot and all of that. His name is Sebastian. He has flying power that he can take 2 of his kids, and he has strong power when somebody's trying to take one of his kids. You can just hold him and put him back.
Architecture is a partnership with the National Association for Minority Architects, and they are working on the design process and creating a sample building in partnership with the architects.
I thought that architects would be like a good thing to do since I am going to high school. I might want to take that up in high school. I'm not a really good drawer, so that's maybe the toughest part, but it's also fun at the end. You can see the work that you've done and to see over time if you improved.
In movie making, students are using clips and iMovie and playing with sound effects and filters to create their own movies. They also learned how to use storyboards, so they learned the importance of pre-planning.
Just going on these apps, it's really fun to do, so you can like use your imagination, so like you could do anything on it. I'm actually making an emoji movie right now. I'm using clips right now so I can get all this stuff ready so I can put it in iMovie when I'm finished.
The app challenge is where students are identifying a community problem and working with an Apple designer to work on a prototype using the Keynote app. And through that, they're also doing some coding lessons.
Last year I was in the coding camp, and I thought that was really cool, and Miss Shannon said she was gonna put me in that camp because I already did the coding one. It's about mental health, so you can connect with your counselor because many people are fighting mental challenges.
The showcase was an event held on the last day of camp where students were able to talk about and show their work to family and community members. I think that it's really amazing that Roosevelt has this partnership with both Apple and our architecture partners to give kids exposure to a lot of different fields. It gives them something fun to do during the summer. They're also able to practice their academic skills and their creation skills, which gives them all a chance to shine in ways that they might not get every single day.